Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to see who blocked you on Instagram. To start the process, open your Instagram application on your mobile device. Now tap on the search icon. I'm searching for my other account. Tap on that account. Here, tap on the three dots. Now, tap on Block. Then tap on Block. As you can see, our profile has been blocked. Now, go back to your profile. I'm going to open my other Instagram account to show you. I'm searching for my blocked account. Tap on that account. As you can see, I'm unable to see their post and other features. This is how you can see who blocked you on Instagram. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.